Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we dive deep into the world of top-rated products and bring you the very best that Amazon has to offer. Today, we're delving into a category that's essential for capturing clarity and preserving important moments: digital voice recorders. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who simply values the precision of clear audio, this countdown is for you. We're exploring the best sellers that combine cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, devices that don't just record sound, but elevate your entire recording experience. Without further ado, let's jump into the countdown of the top digital voice recorders on Amazon. Get ready to discover the tools that are transforming the way we capture and preserve sound. Introducing our number 5 bestseller in digital voice recorders on Amazon, the 136 GB digital voice recorder. This isn't just any recording device. This is your go-to companion for capturing crisp, clear audio with ease. Imagine this. You're in a lecture, a meeting, or conducting an interview. You need to capture every word without missing a beat. With HD recording powered by the latest PCM 10-core triple digital intelligent noise reduction technology, this device ensures that every sound is captured in 1,536 kilobits per second high-quality audio. It's like having the speaker right next to you, even in a crowded room. Storage won't be an issue either. With a massive 136 GB of memory, 8 GB built-in, and an additional 128 GB TF card, you can store up to a staggering 9,900 hours of recording. That's more than enough for all your lectures, meetings, and personal notes. And with a 500 mAh rechargeable battery, you'll get up to 33 hours of continuous recording or 24 hours of playback on a single charge. No more worrying about running out of battery in the middle of an important session. What sets this voice recorder apart is its voice-activated recording feature. It starts recording the moment it detects sound and stops when it's silent. This not only conserves memory space, but also saves you from sifting through hours of silence. It's ideal for classroom settings, language learning, or any scenario where you need to capture only the essential audio. Simplicity meets functionality in this device. With just 3 buttons for recording, saving, and playback, it's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. But don't let its simplicity fool you. This recorder is packed with features. From A/B repeat and variable speed playback to an MP3 player and password protection, it's equipped to handle all your recording needs. File management is seamless with time-stamped recordings, making it easy to track when each file was created. And when it's time to transfer or charge, the included Type-C cable connects effortlessly to your computer or Android smartphone. So whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who simply values high-quality audio recording, the 136 GB digital voice recorder is your perfect match. High capacity, cutting-edge technology, and user-friendly design all in one compact device. Capture your world with precision and ease. At number 4 in our countdown of the best-selling digital voice recorders on Amazon, we present the EVIDA 128 GB digital voice recorder, a device designed for those who demand more from their audio recording experience. When clarity is non-negotiable, the EVIDA steps up with its clear PCM recording technology. It's not just about capturing sound, it's about capturing every nuance, every inflection, every detail in crystal clear 1,536 kilobits per second quality. Thanks to its upgraded noise-canceling microphone and professional-grade recording chip, you'll hear the difference, whether it's a lecture, a meeting, or a personal memo. The storage capacity here is nothing short of remarkable. With 128 GB of space, this recorder can store up to 9,296 hours of recordings. That's over a year of continuous audio. Whether you prefer your files in MP3 or WAV format, this device accommodates your needs, offering multiple quality settings to suit your requirements. And with up to 54 hours of continuous recording on a full battery, you won't be interrupted mid-thought. But what really sets the EVIDA apart is its voice-activated recording feature. This isn't just about starting and stopping, it's about precision. With 6 adjustable decibel levels, this recorder is finely tuned to capture only the sounds that matter. It filters out the background noise and silence, ensuring that your recordings are focused and to the point. Versatility is key, and the EVIDA delivers with its multi-usage functionality. It's not just a voice recorder, it's also a USB flash drive and an MP3 player. And with its newly developed 4-folder storage system, organizing your recordings has never been easier. Whether you're recording lectures, meetings, or interviews, this device keeps your files neat, secure, and readily accessible. When it comes time to transfer your files, the EVIDA makes it quick and painless. Simply connect to your computer and your recordings are ready to go. Plus, it's rechargeable, ensuring that you're always powered up and ready to record. For students, teachers, seniors, business people, writers, and bloggers alike, the EVIDA 128 GB digital voice recorder is a tool that meets the demands of your dynamic lifestyle. It's powerful, intuitive, and designed with you in mind. Coming in at number 3 in our countdown of the best-selling digital voice recorders on Amazon, we present the 16 GB digital voice recorder, a compact yet powerful tool designed to make capturing clear, high-quality audio as simple as it gets. Imagine a device so intuitive it feels like second nature to use. With a straightforward operation, this recorder is all about simplicity. Just flip it on, hit the rec button to start, stop to end, and play to listen back. Need to focus on a crucial moment? Press AB. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best sellers in digital voice recorders on Amazon? Well, don't just sit there in silence. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you're always in the loop, loud and clear. At number 2 in our countdown of Amazon's best-selling digital voice recorders, we present the aiworth 136 GB digital voice recorder, a device that redefines what it means to capture sound with precision and clarity. Let's start with the quality. Equipped with dual sensitive microphones and a professional recording IC, this recorder captures audio in 1,536 kilobits per second PCM high definition. Imagine hearing the voice as if the speaker were standing right next to you. Whether you're a journalist, student, singer, writer, office worker, lawyer, or audio creator, this recorder is designed to meet the highest standards of clarity and detail. But it's not just about quality, it's about capacity. With a built-in 800 mAh rechargeable battery, you get up to 45 hours of continuous recording. The 8 GB flash memory can hold up to 580 hours of recordings, and with the included 128 GB memory card, your storage expands to a staggering 136 GB. That's 9,860 hours of sound, ready to capture every idea, lecture, song, or conversation that matters to you. User-friendly design is at the heart of this device. With all operational buttons conveniently placed on the front, navigating this recorder feels as intuitive as using your smartphone. And if you need a bit of guidance, the graphic user guide and video tutorials ensure you'll master it in no time. Security is paramount, and this device delivers with power-on password protection. With an 8000 combination, 3-digit password, your recordings are kept safe from prying eyes. 3 incorrect attempts, and the device automatically shuts down. Your ideas and intellectual property remain secure, right where they belong. Playback isn't just playback with the aiworth recorder, it's customizable. With 16 adjustable play speeds, you can jump directly to the point you want or slow down to catch every word. Combine this with the AB repeat function, and you have a tool that doesn't just record. It helps you review, analyze, and understand with unparalleled ease. The aiworth 136 GB digital voice recorder is more than a recording device. It's a high-capacity, high-quality, user-friendly powerhouse designed for those who demand nothing but the best from their audio recording tools. And now, claiming the top spot in our countdown of the best-selling digital voice recorders on Amazon, we present the PLAUD Note AI voice recorder, a revolutionary device that takes recording to an entirely new level. Imagine a voice recorder that doesn't just capture sound, but understands it. The PLAUD Note seamlessly integrates OpenAI's Whisper STT model, delivering rapid and precise transcriptions in an astonishing 59 languages. Whether you're capturing a lecture, meeting, or even a call, this device doesn't just record, it transcribes, summarizes, and organizes, all thanks to the power of ChatGPT collaboration. From meeting minutes to to-do lists, productivity has never felt so effortless. But what about privacy? PLAUD puts your security first. With local data encryption and cloud files that are exclusively yours, your recordings and transcriptions are handled with the utmost care, processed only with your authorization. The PLAUD app and web portal provide 10,000 minutes of cloud storage, making file management, sorting, and sharing a breeze. It's more than just a recorder. It's a tool for enhancing team collaboration through streamlined transcription and summarization. Precision is at the heart of this device's design. The dual-mode recording engine captures high-quality ambient sounds with its air conduction sensor, perfect for meetings and presentations. Meanwhile, the vibration conduction sensor, VCS, ensures crystal-clear call recordings by capturing internal phone sounds. Whether it's the subtle nuances of a conversation or the crisp clarity of a presentation, every detail is preserved. Sleek yet powerful, the PLAUD Note boasts a slim 0.12 inches aluminum alloy build, earning it the prestigious 2024 IF Product Design Award. But don't let its tiny size fool you. This recorder packs a punch with 64 GB of storage, accommodating up to 480 hours of recordings and offering a remarkable 30 hours of continuous recording on a single charge. And when you invest in the PLAUD Note, you're not just getting a voice recorder. You're receiving a complete package, including a stylish black case, a magnetic ring, and a magnetic charging cable. Plus, all users enjoy a complimentary 300 minutes per month for GPT, transcription, and summarization, making this device as practical as it is powerful. The PLAUD Note AI voice recorder is not just the best-selling digital voice recorder on Amazon, it's a game changer. It redefines what's possible in the world of audio recording, putting the power of AI, precision, and privacy in the palm of your hand. This is the future of voice recording. We hope you enjoyed counting down the best sellers in digital voice recorders on Amazon. To keep up with all the top-rated products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. And don't miss the pinned comment for links to all the top products we covered today. Until next time, thanks for watching and see you soon.